DRL Y04 Smart Setup, Getting Started and Connection Guide. Initial fingerprint registration. To add initial fingerprint, press and hold the finger reader till the blue light is awakened. Input the fingerprint while the green light starts blinking. Follow the video instructions and place your finger on the fingerprint reader on the lock. Once the light stops blinking, the fingerprint input is successful. To add another fingerprint, repeat the same process as adding the initial fingerprint. To add another fingerprint. To delete fingerprint, press and hold the finger reader till the blue light is awakened and turned red. Then place the finger on the sensor to delete the fingerprint from the lock. Deletion is successful when the green light blinks twice. If the light turns red, the deletion is unsuccessful.